So we got some new development for Beyond Meat and Beyond Immerse that made Beyond Meat jump and testing the 109 last Friday, guys. So we have to discuss in today's video the next week price action in Tuesday and where the price will go for Beyond Meat from now, because we got one short seller left to cover up in order to have the squeeze that we waiting for this year, because this year we didn't have any squeeze. Last year we have almost 3 or 4 times squeeze over 60 or 100%. So let us discuss Beyond Meat before we go further. Remember, our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you exactly what's happened. First of all, we got this test on Wednesday, it's the 7th of January, and then the Thursday, two tests, price pulled back, and then we've got a reversal this week. So last week, or beginning of first week in 2026, we have two tests, pulled back. We got a big buyer bought around the 90, and we have a reversal. So technically, we did a nice reversal here, almost 20% reversal after the news of Beyond Meat test protein preferences on the of course protein. They did Beyond Meat built on protein strength, which is everybody talk about. So they actually have a new launch for the protein Beyond Immerse last time that we have 2 days ago. Really good news. And this is actually might change the Q3 result. And everybody betting that this time we might have a good result, because last earnings we got still a negative, but the revenue is kind of increasing by almost 2% last November. And now we have the earnings coming up, I think, in March, beginning of March. And as you can see here, the revenue estimate is kind of in decreasing, but if we overbeat the estimate revenue at least, or even the earnings, because the earnings is almost getting on the positive side, because as we see here, last earnings in November, we are in negative 1.44. However, if we see the earnings coming up in March, you see is getting really lower or near the positive side. So this is really interesting, because last time we weren't actually on the positive side for the earnings. Even back then, the only earnings that we were green was we beat the estimate was in 2024 in November. So this is my change for the coming earnings, because we got the new protein immerse, or the new lineup of products that they actually producing, and this is will give us a bit of revenue for the Q3 earnings, and of course might have interest from the investors to bet on Beyond Meat for this year, because as you see here, we are near the all-time low. Once we visited the 50 cent, we have a huge squeeze. Again, here once we visited the 80, we have a huge squeeze. And as you can see here, we're still doing higher lows, because every time we have a new low, we have a huge reversal and never visiting the lower low, but we do higher low. And here, back in November, and now hopefully the 90 should be our low for this month and this year, in order to give us a jump this time toward the 125, 150, and almost the $2. So the technical side, not just from the fundamental, we're still looking great for a reversal, or at least changing from the bearish side to the bullish side for Beyond Meat. Let me just show you exactly what I mean, because yeah, the trend looking interesting right now for Beyond Meat to break the 109. So this is where we discuss in the beginning of the video. We said we have one short seller left, which is around the $1.09. Yeah, so once we break this level, we're gonna have the other tests around the 125, then 157, 187, and almost the $2.19. If you don't know what's those green line guys, is the short seller place that we might test and pull back too. If you don't know, guys, we always do update for many other stocks. So we always do those charts because it's really simple. Even if you don't know how to trade, we always do this kind of update for our hunters to trade the stocks that we always do in the pre-market and before the market open. Last time we did a really good trade on Vero, I think, and EVTV. The other one we did for SPHL was around the 5, then jumped over the $10 before even the market open. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join before those kind of drastic change, because if the resistance happened or the breakout happened in the pre-market, will be too late to enter if you don't know where the support, where the resistance at. For Beyond Meat, of course, we gotta discuss it again on Tuesday in live streaming 30 minutes before the market opens. So don't forget to join us, guys, in order to cover Beyond Meat live. And before that, if you want to have early access, it is on our Discord and Bitcoin. The link comes section below. So let me know in the comment section below, guys. Are we gonna break the 109? Is this the bottom that we visited? And we gonna have a squeeze or not? Thank you for watching and see you back by tomorrow.